Hey everyone, we're going to be talking about the different ways you can find good music for real estate videos. I'm going to be talking about free options and some paid options as well. So let's get right into it. So for the free options, I have two options. The first one I talked about in a previous video is to go on YouTube and just type in royalty-free music, and you'll find some good channels that have a lot of music and some good music that you can be using. I like using music that doesn't have any voices in it, and all this royalty-free music, well, most of this royalty-free music won't have any voice in it, so it gives your video a nice professional look than if it had like voice. I mean, you could use voice. I just haven't used it before, and I just don't think I like it. But that's totally fine. It's up to you. And so the second way that you could find free royalty-free music is to use a website called Hook Sounds. They have some nice, good free music in there, and it's all royalty-free. I just think that you have to credit the website and the composer. I'm not sure they have details on that on their website. All you got to do is just credit them. But it's free, and so it's great so that you don't have to pay for anything, and they have really good music. So that's another good free resource to use. So now moving on to the paid music sources, a good one is, I actually just found this one. It's called artlist.io. They have great music that I just saw. It's very cinematic and very professional, and I really like it. So that's another good paid resource. I think it's like $17 a month. So if you have, I mean, 17 bucks a month is actually not bad, because it has like unlimited music that you could just download. If you just use like one song a month, that's like 17 bucks for one song. That's actually really cheap, and it's good music. The second option that we have for paid music is to use a website called Pond5. They also have really good music there, and I think their prices are anywhere from 20 to about 40 bucks for a song, and that's just a direct download. So it is a little bit more expensive than Artlist, but those you can buy individually, so you don't have to actually subscribe to like some subscription service. But those two websites do have good music that, if you ever do need some professional music, would work as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, comment, subscribe. I have some more content on my website at apertureuniversity.com. The link will be listed below. And I also have a free resource in the description if you'd like to check it out. But if you don't, no problem. And I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys so much.